All right guys, GandBPro just sent me a big care package. They got a couple new things out, and in today's video, we're gonna open all this stuff up and see what it is. All right guys, first we got this little package on top. I don't really know what's in here. I do know what the big one is. I'm gonna grab some scissors and open this stuff up. I've been waiting for these. You guys can see a couple padded sleeves for my clippers, black, green, orange, and blue. Tell you what guys, my custom FXs are gonna look dope in these bags. You know, I have a lime green power clip and they have blue and pink on them, so these will look sweet for sure. Definitely some protection for my clippers when I go on the road. Go ahead and cut these straps off of here. And this top one, guys, I believe is a mobile ring light. So bear with me while I set this thing up, guys. I don't really know how it works. It looks like this is a travel bag for it. That will work out. I'm about to go to Texas this weekend and that will come in handy. We'll go ahead and take the legs out in the tripod. I believe this is a tripod. So you guys see right here, we push the bottom. It's gonna release the legs, nice and easy. Unscrew this. Pull it all the way out. Oh man, this is nice and easy ring light upgrade. I guess it's not necessarily a ring light. That goes really tall, guys. So that is as tall as me right now. Probably don't need it that high, but there we go. There's our base. Go ahead and get the rest of this stuff out of the box. GandBPro sticker, that's it in the box. All right guys, so imagine this is the power cord. Obviously, it is a USB and USB-C. So guys, this is our light. So I imagine we take the light off, plug it in, charge it. Man, it just magneted to it. I don't know what the magnet's for, but we can charge it with this cord and then we will take it off and put it on our stand. All right guys, so you can see this stand here. Figure out how to open this thing. Okay, they pull out like this. Go ahead and screw it on the stand right here. Boom, and there we go. There's our light, and we can tilt them however we need. Kind of more of a overall room light, so we can take it all the way up tall. Let's see, it goes way up higher than me, and you guys can see now I'm glowing. The whole area underneath me is glowing, so we can tilt these out. So now it's more of a broad thing. I can tilt them down, kind of aim it down in on me, and you guys can see I am glowing. So that's super cool. Like I said, guys, I'm about to head to Houston to teach a class. I'm taking my tripod. We're gonna do a whole camera setup. So I'm gonna take this with me and we'll test it out on the road. Super easy teardown. You guys can see I just slid it all back together real quick and easy. Now we'll throw it in the travel bag, get it ready to go on the road and test it out. All right guys, last but not least, we have whatever bag is in this big box. Like I said, guys, I already know what this is. My guy reached out to me and let me know what was coming, but you guys don't, so we're gonna go ahead and check all this stuff out. Guys, these are what I believe goes inside. Sorry, I'm being loud while I'm talking. I believe these go inside of what is in the bag. We got another GandB sticker. And guys, these are basically little pouches inside of pouches inside of pouches. Another one, and another one. So yeah, guys, these pouches are gonna go inside of the bag that we have in the box. You can see it is smoked on one side, clear on the other. Kind of cool, these are super quality, and you guys will see how they fit down in this here in a second. All right, let's get this thing out of here. Come on. All right. All right guys, so you can see here, if you didn't see my video on the Max Station, not quite as big. The Max Station was like this. This is somewhere in between. We have a nice handle on the back. Go ahead and open this top section. I don't really know what this one is called. I will look it up and put it on the screen right now so you guys know. So right here, guys, similar to our GandB bags, we have the pouches right here. You guys know I put my shave gel, no drip, hair styling products. Put my shears right here. It does have these straps so it stays open when you guys want to use it. There is a zipper here. You guys could put like a laptop or maybe a travel mirror, something like that, stuff that is flat. And you do have a zipper here as well, just like the top of the backpacks or the clutch bag, which is right here. So you guys can see this clutch bag. Let me actually tilt it to the camera so you can see it. The clutch bag is gonna fit right down inside there. We'll go ahead and pull that thing out. I'll give you guys a quick overview of this if you haven't seen it before. All right guys, so this is the clutch bag, not clutch KLUTCH. This is CLUTCH. But guys, we got like a water bottle slot on the side. I believe there is a carrying handle in the bag to go right here so you can carry it over the shoulder. Another front pocket. You can put little flat stuff in here. Go ahead and open it up and I'll show you guys what's inside. So here it is, guys. Again, like I said, this is the top of the bag. It's also the top of this bag. So the same thing, pouches here, scissors here. And then we have our clipper tray, guys. So you can basically move all these pieces around, open it up. We do have to take this off in order to open it all the way. But you guys can see you can work out of it that way. We do have a GandBPro new sticker, get mobile, get money. We got a QR code, I guess, so people can scan it, probably goes to the website. Couple more stickers here, and here's our traveling strap. So guys, we can undo this strap, super cool looking strap with the logos on it. Click it on each side right here, and we can carry it over the shoulder. But you guys can see also some storage in the bottom. These dividers go like this, and you can put, I usually put combs and things that need to fit right here in the bottom, some hair products, some things like that. Then obviously, guys, we can close it it up, we'll go ahead and snap this back. Close it up, zip it up, and your tools are super safe to take with you on the road. So again, guys, this goes in here, but also we have some dividers inside here as well. So let me see if I can figure out how to put these in. All right, so you guys can see we got the dividers in. And of course, guys, all this stuff is customizable. You can put stuff wherever you want. So now let's get those pouches out. So you guys can see, basically, we can fill these pouches up and we can slide them down into these slots right here. Obviously, something like a blow dryer could fit in here a lot better. But you guys have all this storage space in here. Obviously, if you put this in here, you cannot put the clutch bag on it, but it does have a sleeve over the back to allow you to put it on like that, and you can carry it all together. All right, guys, so that is it for my unboxing. Couple new things. The ring light is super dope. The clipper sleeves are super nice. I had seen those, but I haven't got a hold of them yet, and those are super nice. So I'm gonna test both of those things out on the road next trip. This is a little more than I'm gonna need, to be totally honest. This is definitely more my speed, guys. Actually, I kind of like the mid-size bag. If you guys haven't seen my reviews already, the mid-size bag is kind of perfect for me, but there is a full-size backpack, a mid-size backpack. We have the Klutch mobile bag, and now we have this mobile kit right here that is a little bit bigger as well. So you guys know, as a barber, not a whole lot that I'm gonna need this big storage space for. So this isn't necessarily what I'm gonna take on the road all the time. But if I was going somewhere in town, I would definitely throw my blow dryer in there, throw my water bottles in there, maybe my air compressor. Can fit a lot more in this big thing, but through the airport, I wouldn't necessarily take this because I don't take that much stuff. So this clutch bag is nice and convenient for quick, easy, smaller trips. The mid-size or the full-size bag is nice for taking most of your stuff. And then we got this big kit if you guys want to take even more of that. If you guys want more details, go to GandBPro.com. I believe these are out now. There's probably a couple colors, guys. This is obviously green. I believe there's black. There's usually like red, maybe navy blue. I'm not really sure. But I'll put a few things on the screen for you guys to check out, and head over there if you guys want to know more about these bags and grab one for yourself. Now, guys, I do have a discount code with GandB, so you guys will save 10% on your order if you use code Seancutshair. I just want to give a shout out to my man, DeWilkie. He is always hooking me up with the newest bag. Let me do reviews for you guys so you guys know more about these products, and I appreciate him hooking me up with all this cool stuff. Definitely gonna put some of it to use this next weekend. But anyway, guys, that is it for the video. I appreciate you guys watching. Smash that thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of this new station, the ring light, the clipper bags or clipper sleeves or whatever they're called. Thanks for checking out another review, and I will catch you guys next time.